Hello everyone, welcome to our project site. This is our live of construction site. Welcome everyone, and I will show and we will visit the area of our finishing work. Hello, hello, hello. This is our coffee room to all my beloved friends. You can watch my visiting project. This is our coffee room, and have other playroom. This is a billiard room, my beloved friends. Come in, come in, come in, come in, and I will visit. We will visit the other side. And also this is the extension coffee room, my beloved friends. Look at the area. The area is ready to accommodate. This is also brand. This is also the what do you call of this? This is hanging seat. You will sit here if you will need to relax. We have a hanging chair. You will hanging if you need to relax your body. And you will follow me here in the ground floor, my beloved friends. We will see the other area. Welcome, my beloved friends, to the ground floor area. And we will visit also the area here. This is also the playground. Playground also ready to accept. And also here and other side is this is the ongoing office. This is ongoing office of a lot of friends, and not yet to finish, but anyway, I will like to thank you for watching my video for today. This is our construction live. Construction live. Thank you for your watching, and thank you to all the beloved friends.